Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep building our small tasker. Specifically, we're gonna implement the post job feature, finish implementing it. So, I find this new rich text editor input, and I'm pretty sure it can do what we want. So in here, if I say editor1.get HTML code, you can see I actually have the HTML code that I can use here. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, I think. Alright, okay. So, right, so this is what we're going to implement. Let's take a look at views.py. Alright, so in here, we're gonna have if you request a method, this post. Now, wait, do I have a model created yet? No, just a class drop. And let's see, in here, let's just say user ID. Let's just say user equals to user equals to do dot for delete equals to model dot cascade. Alright. Okay, let's see from and Google this again. Foreign key. So put it here. I guess it's there. Okay, so the reason we want to have a user here is so that we can get users information easier. So that users now let's do title, description, and then here we're gonna have some configuration is price per price, model stuff, float field, or money field, no, float field, and we can say quantity equals models dot int field, picture field, quantity, and let's just say start till now. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's make migration and migrate. Okay, so now let's go to views.py. Alright, let's say from for job. Okay, so user equals to request user. Title is request dot post bracket title. Description is request dot post bracket description. Price equals to int request dot post bracket price. Let's say float. All right, and then let's see, and then we're going to have a quantity. Quantity, so like how many people could complete it. Start date. Start date is also, so doesn't really matter. And then I can say dot save. Return, let's say, to the index route. All right. So now let's create the rest of the fields that are necessary. All right, so let's see. Okay, description. And then actually one more thing we need is proof. So like how many proof should they submit? Actually, we're just going to insert a box. Yeah. So basically just a default text area box for now to type all their proofs. Okay, so description. Let's say should type detailed job description. Include how to complete it and how to submit proof. Okay, so that's that. We also need a price per each valid completion. Price per each valid completion, which is a text. Actually, no, it's number. All right. So price per each valid completion, quantity. How many people do you want to reach? This can be a number too. So ID is quantity. Quantity, okay. And then start date doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll refresh the page. Alright, nice. Got a description, price per each valid completion, quantity. Okay. Title, let's just say a demo job. Okay, so now let's just say, let's try to use this out. So, demo job. In order to complete this job, you will need to do the following. They don't even have a list. Well, I mean, this works, I guess. 1, 2. So we need to do the following one. Go to google.com, and I'm pretty sure we can add a link. To search Google. 3, submit a screenshot. Okay, so now price per each valid completion will say 0.05. Quantity is 20. So now before the job can successfully submit, we need to do this. Let's go to /PayPal/payment. /deposit, not payment. Okay, deposit fund. Right, so we need to deposit some fund first. Right, gotta deposit some fund first. Okay. So now we have to go back to PayPal. So now okay. Alright, so I think what we need to do is let's go to model and let's create a transaction date time. So timestamp. So user gonna have similar. Alright. Got the user. So it's either income, it's either deposit or withdraw. And then we can say amount. Alright, so that's gonna be transaction. Now let's create a field called user fund, which literally gonna have a user and their current fund. Alright, there we go. Okay, so now let's migrate again. Okay. So let's go back to view stop high. I think we might need to go to accept payment again. Amount. Okay, so we need amount. That's for sure. So let's go to here, and now what's gonna happen? I think here we're going to say, not in here. Okay. So in here we'll say, I really need to start modifying this. From .models import transaction user fund. All right. Try user fund the objects the get user fund, just a UF for short. To user equals request the user accepts user fund that does not exist. Then what's gonna happen is we'll say user fund dot objects. Let's create user fund. So user equal request a user. Their fund is currently 0. Dot save. Let's go and get it again. All right. So then we have this, and here we can say uf dot fund plus equals to post data bracket amount. And then in here we'll say okay. So now let's go ahead and try deposit again. Let's deposit $10. Alright. Yeah, this is my stupid extension. Yeah, I doubt this works. Random credit card. Okay. Let's use Visa. Expires at okay. Let's just say alright, gotta bleep this out again. Alright. Let's hopefully it works for without success. It should show alert if it's successful, right? Right, it's not successful. Wait. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me go to accept payment again. Right, it's supposed to say. Let's try using incognito window. Suppose it. Oh no, I had to log in first. Okay. It's always valid credential. I don't want to create a new account. So I have to go to here. Let's create a super user. Admin example.com. Admin. Yes. I'm gonna change my password. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I reset to taskers at. So let's try to go to auth, login again. Alright, let's go to PayPal. Cash deposit. Deposit $10 again, debit or credit. Copy this. Okay, hello world for Main Street. Do all these out again. Alright, we'll wait to see if this time it works or not. Why suddenly everything broke? jQuery is not defined. Okay, this is so weird. Alright, well, I think I have to end the video now. I will try if I can figure out what is happening. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a great day. DevWithMe out.